Have you ever wondered how to achieve stunning hologram projections at the lowest possible cost? Today's video will share the two most affordable ways to achieve true holographic projections. How can such realistic and clear holography be achieved? And the cost is so low, it's almost unbelievable. This is a rotational speed projector hologram, which uses high-speed spinning LED beads at an incredibly high speed to create an almost invisible screen display. Its advantages are low cost and breathtaking effects, and it is easy to carry, of course. If a larger display is needed, multiple units can be combined to create a super large display. Plus, holographic images can even be used outdoors with the right protective cover. So, how much does it cost? Now, you can contact us to get a 56 centimeters model at a surprisingly low price, creating stunning holographic displays that attract your customer base. Next, I will introduce the second type of holography that will definitely blow your mind. Is this the mid-air imaging you've seen in movies? Here, we use a special screening material to achieve mid-air holographic images that offer a truly stunning experience. Whether indoors, outdoors, in small venues, or in large settings such as stages. And this effect can be achieved just by purchasing this special screen and one or more projectors. The cost of implementing this is also lower than you might imagine. We also offer many other holographic projection devices, such as fog screen holography, water screen holography, and holographic display cabinets. If you are interested, you can follow our channels or contact us. You may be wondering where to find these products. I offer a one-stop holographic solution, from equipment to the production of three-dimensional holographic content. And what's more, we are currently offering a limited-time discount. Don't miss this excellent opportunity. Contact us now.